we will do section 10.4 in your book. We're going to talk about a second type of angle with respect to circles called an inscribed angle. Remember that we've already talked about a central angle. A central angle is an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle, and the sides of a central angle are radii. An inscribed angle has its vertex on the circle, and its sides are chords of the circle. Just like a central angle, an inscribed angle has an intercepted arc, the arc made by where the angle hits the circle that is inside the arc. Here are three different ways that we can get inscribed angles. A side of the inscribed angle can go through the center of the circle and be the diameter. The center of the circle can be inside an inscribed angle, or it can be outside the inscribed angle. Okay, now that you've learned the relationship between an inscribed angle and its intercepted arc, we're going to look at some special cases. Here's one of them. We know the measure of this inscribed angle, DBC, is 25 degrees. The question is, what is the measure of the inscribed angle DAC? Think about that, and think about how you would know the answer to that question. Then think about how this would apply to any inscribed angles that were in this particular situation. The same thing with this case here. There are no measurements in this picture at all. This is circle C, so notice that this segment goes through the center of the circle. I want you to think about what you think the measure of angle ABD is and why. And make a conjecture about any angle that has a segment that goes through the center of the circle as its endpoints. Then finally, I have one more activity for you to do with measures of inscribed angles. I want you to take the information in this problem and see if you can figure out what the measure of angle A, or DAB, is, and what the measure of angle D, or angle ADC, is in this picture.